Hi there, I'm Tim from Autocom in Sweden. I bet you're really good at fixing cars, but you know how it is, there's always some cars you spend too much time on. And sometimes you might even need access to an OEM tool. On top of that, taking a vehicle to an OE workshop is both time consuming and costly. You need a better solution, one that saves you both time and money. With Autocom Repair Services, you'll get a personal contact from an OE trained master technician. They will help you with anything from technical support, vehicle troubleshooting, coding and updating software. Most problems will actually be solved just by using their knowledge and experience. You don't need to make any extra investments. The Autocom Icon is an all-in-one tool. The access to repair services is already included in your car software. There is no financial risk because the service is pay-per-use and you will get clear information about any costs before you continue, meaning you only pay for when you use it. Whenever you need help, just create a ticket and a brand-specific technician will give you a personal call to help you finish the job, so you don't have to hand over the car to someone else. It's super easy and probably the best repair service in the market. With Autocom Repair Services, you get guidance to help you finish the job, a personal contact with a master technician. The technician has access to OE tools and OE skills. We cover over 40 different vehicle brands. You only pay for what you use. There is no extra license cost, there is no extra hardware needed, and there are no hidden costs whatsoever. After the job is completed, you'll receive a pro forma invoice to be able to charge your customer. So there you have it, with Autocom Diagnostics and our repair services, the technical problems will be easy for the mechanic to deal with. This service is part of the super easy way working that Autocom is known for. If you have any questions, you can scan this QR code to read more. Or if you want to talk to an Autocom distributor, you'll find them at our website autocom.se. Thank you for watching.